Hey, it's Trevor and Katie here at Durango Harley-Davidson. We're excited to check in with everybody and give you an update of what's going to be going on this February.
Yeah, so for the month of February, we've got lots of great department specials going on. In our sales department, with any purchase of a new 22 Sportster, you get free slip-on pipes.
And you know, for you Sportster fans out there, you all know it's kind of the end of an era with the air-cooled Evo motors on the Sportsters. So we're very fortunate. We've actually still got 5 new 2022 model Sportsters in stock. But once they're gone, they're gone. We love the new Nightster, the new Sportster S, but the Sportster era has been a great one, and you know, this is your chance to get a little piece of history and get some free slip-on exhaust with it as well.
That's right. And you know, February is also the month that Valentine's Day is coming up on the 14th. Can't wait to see what you got me this year. Anyway, so this is the perfect time to get a gift for your loved one. We're doing 20% off all jewelry and accessories in our motor clothes department, so for the entire month. So we've got a great selection of beautiful jewelry, so come down and check that out for your special Valentine this Valentine's Day. We have men's and women's jewelry. Also, February 28th is the last day to redeem your Rider Rewards points. So if you've been collecting those throughout the year with your purchases here at the shop, February 28th is the deadline to redeem those. Otherwise, you get a clean slate moving forward. So you don't want to lose out on those great benefits. So come in here anytime between now and February 28th and get those redeemed.
And if you're not signed up for our Rider Rewards, get signed up and start earning points with every purchase you make here at the dealership.
That's right. And lastly, for parts and service, if you buy 2 tires this month, you will save 15% including labor on those purchases. So a great time to get your bike tuned up and ready for spring and get some new tires.
Definitely. And so the month of February in Durango is always a lot of fun because we have our huge snow down event. It's pretty crazy being here 6 years to see how basically everything kind of shuts down and everyone just goes and parties for a week, but it's a great time. Also in February, we're going to be doing a really neat workshop on Legend suspension. So I know personally on all of my bikes, I run Legends front and rear. I would say the majority of our employees here, they all run Legend suspension. It's amazing to me just changing out the suspension on your motorcycle, how much more performance you can actually get out of that bike. So Legend is actually partnered with us. We have some incredible gifts for everybody that attends once you get checked in. Again, that's Saturday, February 18th at 1 p.m. We're gonna show you all the benefits of upgrading your suspension to Legends. And then for everybody that attends, one lucky winner is gonna get a gift card for either a set of Revo A or Axio Legend suspension. So everybody that attends the workshop, you get entered to win a free set of suspension. We'll draw one winner at the end of the workshop. You're not going to want to miss this. It's going to be a great event. We were just up at the Drag Specialties MVP event in Louisville this past weekend, and we're hanging out with Jesse and the whole crew from Legends. They're such a great company. We're up there recruiting for the Four Corners Motorcycle Rally. So we've got an incredible list of people and vendors, parts and accessories vendors that are going to be coming out for the rally. And then one last thing, just to go ahead and put on your calendar now, Saturday, April 22nd. I know it's a ways out, but we're going to be hosting the largest motorcycle swap meet in the entire Four Corners. We did this swap meet last year. It was a wild success. We actually opened it up to other people that want to come in and be a part of it. But we're going even bigger and better this year. So mark your calendar now for Saturday, April 22nd for the largest motorcycle swap meet in the Four Corners here at Durango Harley-Davidson.
Definitely not one you want to miss, for sure.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys again next month.